Dr. Gandhi, I want to start with you. And the rise of this Delta variant has raised these new questions, new concerns about how the vaccinated can stay safe and avoid these breakthrough infections.
Yes, so last week was a little confusing, I will say, with our messaging in this country. I mean, essentially, there are two things happening. This is a more transmissible variant, and likely what's happening is that in our noses, our antibody responses are going down a bit, but what's called our T cell response is staying great, and thus these vaccines are extremely effective at preventing severe disease. However, we're seeing more absolute number of mild breakthrough infections, totally to be expected. No vaccine is 100%. As more and more of us get vaccinated, we're seeing an absolute increase in breakthrough infections, not proportion, but just the absolute number. And so the way to stay safe, if you are indoors, you can wear your mask, which the CDC put back last week for vaccinated individuals, which will protect you from even mild breakthrough infections. But you're not as infectious as you were if you were unvaccinated. I think that's what got confused last week. That's not accurate.
And Dr. McBride, I wonder, you start to see some of the headlines of people that are recognizable names. You've got like Lindsey Graham testing positive, Yankees ace Garrett Cole, he's going to miss tonight's scheduled start. So I think it's caused a lot of fear among people who are vaccinated.
I think that's right. The headlines certainly are eye-popping and fanning the flames of anxiety. It's really not, in my opinion, newsworthy that people are getting breakthrough infections when they've been vaccinated, because let's face it, the vaccines, while close to perfect, are not 100%. And the more transmissible Delta variant is going to thereby cause more breakthrough infections. The important question is, how sick are they getting? Are people dying more because of the Delta variant, relative to the number of infections? And right now, we're just seeing more people get infected, and the vaccine is protecting the vaccinated from severe consequences. So, I think it's not newsworthy or that surprising at all to anybody who's been following along on the data on the vaccines.